Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to view transaction history on Paybis wallet. So if you also want to view transaction history on Paybis wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Paybis wallet application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you open Paybis wallet application, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to view the transaction history, all you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Due to some reason, I'm not being able to create an account in Paybis wallet, but I'll tell you what to do. When you tap on the three lines, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, you'll be able to find the option for transaction history. All you have to do is tap on it. This option is right below the option buy and sell. After you tap on the option transaction history, you'll be able to view all the transactions that you've carried out. So that is how you view transaction history on Paybis wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.